Hey everyone. Today I'll show you what to do if your left mouse button isn't working on Windows 10, assuming it's a software issue, of course. Press key or Shift Escape. This opens Task Manager. Use arrow keys or mouse wheel to navigate. Look for Explorer here. Right-click it and select Restart. Hit Enter. If that doesn't work, click Start, open Device Manager. Find Mice here. Expand it, right-click your mouse, select Uninstall Device, then hit Enter. After that, press Alt F. Okay, now let's restart the computer. Select Restart and hit Enter. This should fix it. See you later.